Hi guys, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cash, my partner is Kram, and we're both here to teach you guys everything day trading and these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis, guys. Alright, also, we're not a buy or sell channel, so if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you when to buy and sell, then you're in the wrong place. But if you're here to learn technical analysis and trade these markets with Forex Trading Group's profitable strategy, then you're absolutely in the right place. That's what we do. Also, we're not financial advisors, so any risk that you guys take, you take upon yourself. Don't be risking more than 1% of 1% of your capital at any given time with any given trade. Okay, good morning guys. I hope you all can hear me, and I hope you all can see me, and hope you all can see my charts as well. Can anyone reply to that? I'm coming to the chat right now. Good morning Zero, good morning Kyle, good morning alls, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. That's great. That's great. So did anyone trade yesterday? Um Also guys, I've charted German 30 obviously for London Market Open. I did not want to come for red folders because last time we saw how the volume was. Also because we have red folders opening up for New York. That's why I thought maybe we'll catch market open. But look at this, GBP USD is trying to get into our buy box. This is a very small area if you want to get in. This is how gold looks to me. Again, we're trying to approach our supply zone. We had sells for GBP USD and gold during the news that we had, but after that maybe we can catch the retracement. Okay, but be extremely careful. We have about 12 minutes to market open. Before that, don't be entering in with big positions. Whatever that you want to do, please trade small. We have red folders opening up for New York as well. There could be a lot of fake outs, and that's what we want to stay away from, right? Even if we trade fake outs with proper SL, which is your look at GBP US, look at GBP USD guys. It's trying. It's just an impulse at this point. Is anybody in on a feeler? Gold is also trying at this point, guys. Look at that. Is anyone trading anything in on a feeler or anything? Be careful guys. Like about 10 minutes to market open, 11 minutes to market open. I'm in gold long, okay, but be very careful. We haven't crossed our supply zone. This is just an impulse. Our impulse didn't even enter our buy box. So if you're in this position with a big lot, you're doing something wrong. Look at that rejection. We need to close within our box, then get rejected with the next candle, and then move up and get rejected by our supply zone, which becomes demand zone later on. We catch support from there, and then we move for our buys towards 1H resistance. Okay, that's how we look at these markets. Nothing has closed below or above our supply zone or anything of that sort. Same on GBP USD. We have about last 30 seconds of every 5-minute candle decides the kind of momentum that we might get for the next candle. Okay, so just let's wait and watch. Small lot, that's good. Okay guys, okay, GU is getting some sort of resistance from RSI 30. We're getting some resistance from there. We did go oversold. We're trying to make something on the RSI as well. One-on-ones, what are we trying to make on the RSI? So also guys, these chart patterns, they might not be as clear as they are obviously on the charts, but they are also forming continuously on the RSI as well, and that also gives you an extra confluence about what are these markets trying to do. RSI shows the strength, so if the strength is showing you something, they're pointing towards something. Okay, that's one more confluence for you guys. Look at GBP USD. We closed above our box and we're trying to cross this wick. We need to break this wick with momentum, and then maybe we can get buys. Okay. Did anyone trade yesterday, guys? How was yesterday? London market and New York market? Was anyone trading? Can we see DAX? Okay, here it is. Choppy, guys, as always. We need to wait for DAX to move. We need for market open, and after that, maybe 5 minutes after that, we'll get the move, or maybe 10 minutes after that on DAX. London was chopped yesterday, but New York had some good volume. That's good. I hope you all didn't trade London. You all shouldn't be trading, but if you're trading with smaller lots, um, that's good. But I'm just hoping none of y'all traded London yesterday. London always choppy. I wouldn't say choppy. Every market. Okay, look at GBP USD, guys. We're trying on GBP USD.
Look at DAX.
Okay, DAX is trying. Guys, if you want to enter in with small buys over here, ride it to our supply zone, you can do that. With smaller position, bigger break obviously will be above our 4H resistance. But if you want to layer your positions, you can start doing that with small feelers. Okay. Okay, gold is trying. If we're getting rejected, maybe we're trying to make something over here. What about US 30? We don't do US 30 for London market open. DAX is that one indice that moves really well, so that is what we're trying to focus on. Look at gold. Is anyone in on anything, guys? I know GBP looks good. Yeah, it does. Guys, focus on DAX and GBP USD. Maybe you'll get good moves because GBP also moves slower, right? It gives you time to understand what's happening in these markets, right? It gives you time to breathe. Look at that, GBP USD. Maybe we're trying to go up and hit our TP. Okay, but be careful, guys. We could just completely go up and then go down and just go for the sells again. Be very careful. You know how these fake outs are on London. I don't like them, and London always will have a fake out. And look at DAX. We're trying to approach our supply zone again. We're trying to make some sort of pattern over here. We need to complete it by making our right shoulder, and then maybe we can move up and break our supply zone. But before that, one-on-ones, you all know how to trade these patterns, right? You all know when you're supposed to be entering it with feelers and your other positions and your Corollas and your Lambos. You all know that, right? But before market open, please be using only and only feelers, okay? Nobody's trading anything. You all are just watching. Is anyone trading GBP USD? Is anyone trading GU feeler? Okay, watching. That's good. That's good. Okay, GBP USD, good volume. I mean, the kind of instrument that it is, it's sort of stable. Both the currencies are really stable, I would say. They are the strongest currencies that we have, so the movement also is more controlled. Look at GU, guys. Gold is also trying. Slow, guys, but it's good. You know, slow markets, if you're trading this, your heart is not pacing up and down. You're not going through a roller coaster of emotions. If you're trading this market, that's what's good about London. Your emotions are still in control, and especially when you're trading something like GBP USD, the pace is slower than other things, so you feel more comfortable, and you can hold on to it more, and it gives you basically more time, but also lesser pips. So that's the difference. But I think if you're a beginner and you're trying to learn these markets, trying to master an instrument, then GBP USD is the one for you. Don't make gold. Don't try to make gold your bitch. Sorry for my language. Gold is nobody's bitch. Gold will do whatever the gold instrument wants to do. So don't even try that with gold. We have about 5 minutes to market open. 3.5, 4 minutes to market open. Let's see what we get over here. Also, German 30 is gearing up for buys. Okay. If you're in on feelers, start putting them on break even. Why lose anything? Not even feelers, guys. Okay? Gold is also trying. We need to get rejected. We need to move up, break our supply zone, make a demand, and then we can maybe push to our 1 edge resistance. Okay, there's another retest that's happening on GBP USD. They are going to do that. Market open is in another 3 minutes. So yeah, they're going to do it. Traded GU for news, still some runners. That's great. Sorry. Yeah.
I want to see the other side.
Which one?
Gold.
Okay. Guys, you all can see my charts, right?
GU.
34. German 30 also getting rejected. Maybe if we're trying to go up, maybe we're trying to make something over here. Okay?
DAX sell at the line now. DAX sell at the line. DAX sell dull. DAX sell dull.
Also, guys, for DAX.
You're on mute.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Can you all hear me now? For DAX, you can start layering your positions from here as well for the sells. Can you show me the bigger time frame, babe? Maybe from here, guys. Okay. Ride it till our demand and move down. Again, we're getting rejected on gold and GBP USD. Remember that nothing has closed for gold above our supply zone within our box. So be careful. Maybe for market open, if they want to go up, they're going to go down first, because that's what we've been doing on gold and GBP USD for the news. Okay? Be careful. You all can hear me? Great. Traded GU for news, still some runners. That's good. That's good, B2. But I hope you've put your stop loss and you're monitoring your positions, because you know these markets, right? Especially when we have so many red folders for different currencies opening up. We don't want to risk our money, okay? Guys, a minute to market open. Be careful. If you're putting in big lots, have a hard stop loss, okay? Can you all please mute your mics, guys?
Take a video recording of a gold buy, get into a gold position with them. Now. Take a 30, get into gold buy right now and record that you're buying here to tell them I got it. जल्दी get TV है. Unmute your mic and talk.
Guys, I'm just looking at my MetaTrader.
GBP USD.
Market open, guys.
GBP USD not good. DAX.
Look at DAX, guys. Look at this impulse, guys. Maybe we could break our demand zone. Yes. We're going oversold.
Go back to G.
GBP USD. Not a lot of movement, but we're catching some sellers over here. We need to break this area, a strong area. Gold is not doing anything. I think German 30, again, we're catching support from our demand zone, but wait for this candle on German 30, guys. Wait. German 30, this is the way it moves. So just wait for some time. Okay? But did anyone trade this impulse for German 30, guys? Missed it? No worries. We can't FOMO in these markets. We can't have that. We can always get one more trade, always. Um, but look at GBP USD, guys. We're trying to push up. Again, I told you all we need to break this area with good volume, and that's what we're trying to do. This is a bullish engulfing candle that's trying to push up. This is a good sign. This is my favorite candle. This is the strongest candle that you have for the bulls. Guys, I'm running about $1,000 on GBP USD. Okay, wait. Okay, let it run. Guys, I've put this position of mine on break. Am I on mute? Guys, I've put my position on break even. I'm currently watching GBP USD. I wanted to go up and hit our TP. That's what I'm looking at. But if I lose, I don't lose anything. That's the point of putting your account on break even, putting your trade on break even. Everyone who over here understands risk management and money management would agree with me that you're supposed to put your positions as soon as they get into some profit, whatever profit target that you have. According to that, you put it on break even, then you leave it. Guys, I'm running about $1,100. $1,100, guys. Okay. It's on break even, so I'm not scared, guys. My positions are still running. Guys, look at this, how it's running currently. Can you see my screen, guys? Just two positions, guys. One small position and one a good position. Okay, I'm still running about $1,200, guys, on this position, and I've put it on break even. So if I go down, I'm running about 2,000, guys. 2,360. Look at that. That's amazing, guys. Okay, we push to our TP. Hit our TP. Who's trading GBP USD with me, guys? Guys, I'm gonna liquidate my position. Just 1 second. GUW, congratulations, guys. GU was so beautiful, right? It gave us so much time to understand and give us signals, confluences that we're going up, right? Like we saw that double bottom forming on the RSI when we started the call. Also, guys, I'm all out with this position. I think I want to trade New York also. Other than that, I'll see what I get after this. But I'm going back to how we thought of GU and how GU on London Market Open gave us beautiful confluences to enter into this trade and kept giving us confirmations as well. We spotted this double bottom that was forming on the RSI. We were going up, getting some buyers, some support from a 30 on the RSI. We were moving up. We broke. We were above our 9 EMA, if I'm not wrong, and we were going and trying to touch our 200 EMA. Also, look at these candles. How perfect these candles were for our strategy, guys. One-on-ones, you would know that, right? Nice move on GU to start the day. Absolutely. For the news, we got the sells, and for market open, we're catching the buys. Okay, gold is not doing anything at this point. Look at DAX, guys. Look at DAX, guys. Oh my god, we're falling on DAX, guys. Who's banking on this? Okay, but be very, very careful, guys. This is daily that's sitting over here, daily support. But we're breaking it and we're going down, guys. Oh my god. Who's trading this, guys? DAX. Look at that, guys. Okay, we're catching some buyers from over here. Okay, this was a beautiful impulse though. impulse after impulse after impulse. 3 candles. This one, okay, was a very dirty candle for market open, obviously always for DAX. But look at this. This one closed within our box, and also if you had put in a small position, nothing big, then you would have made money on this as well. You wouldn't have gotten out of this trade with the kind of SL that you're giving giving your trade, the stop loss that you're giving your trade. According to that, you wouldn't be able to get out of this position. Um, Sorry guys, a little Hindi came out of me because I was trying to explain the perfect setup that we like. If you all look at it, maybe you will think that this is not a perfect setup. But when I look at it as a trader and the kind of trading that I do for London Market Open, for me this whole area was a beautiful setup. This first candle, impulse, we got rejected from our supply zone, closed within our box. Next candle also, when we retested it, we didn't go above this. We didn't test above our green box. We got rejected from there. And the kind of pips that you're putting for your stop loss, how many ever pips that you're giving according to your risk management, you wouldn't have gotten out, and then you would have made so much money on this, guys. Perfect setups. That's what I like about London. GU is still trying to push up. This next candle opened up, not with great volume, but we're still trying to push up. Let's see. So sorry guys. Okay, GBP USD is trying to push up. Gold is just I don't like gold. This is the reason why I don't like gold. Look at DAX, guys. Oh my, this is very dirty. Look at that. But you know, you understand the impulse also was so slow, guys. It was not like New York that within a blink of an eye you just like miss 100 pip, 200 pip move. But here, those 10 pips were also, they were moving and giving you time to take out your profits. Or if you're in a losing trade, then you know, like just close your trade. That's what I'm talking about. So some people love to trade London because London, it's not too heavy on your brain. I mean, with this your emotions are still in control because the way it's breathing, it's giving you time to sort of adjust with the movement, adjust with the pace, and giving you continuous confluences, slower confluences for your trades. And that is why I like London. In the beginning, when I started as a trader, I only used to trade London because over there, in the blink of an eye, when I was not understanding anything, I was not having big losses for London. I was able to manage my losses and my profits. Look at GBP USD, guys. I was talking about the retracement that we were going to get after the news that came out. We went down. I told you all that we're breaking. Okay, we're getting some resistance, but let's see. But this is what I was talking about London market. Both GBP USD and DAX is going to give you a lot of confluences with a very slower pace for you to be able to understand where the market is going. If you know these markets and if you understand a little basics, you will know what these markets are going to do. And that is why I like London, because you can control your profits and your loss. Obviously the profits are not that fast, but yeah, look at that, guys. This is good momentum on GBP USD that I'm seeing. Beautiful momentum. We have hit our TP on GBP USD. Next candle, I'm going to be waiting for another 5. Look at this, guys. This is dirty. Okay, this is very dirty. But again, if you all like to trade impulse and you're scared, maybe start trading impulses on London with very small positions, maybe half the size of your feeler or 1/4 of your feeler, and put a hard stop for maybe like 50 pips or something of that sort, and maybe start trading like that with smaller position. I promise you, if you love to trade impulse but you're just scared and everything, maybe London will help you out, and then maybe you can move on to New York, because for New York's to trade impulses, it's not a joke. It's not. Look at that, guys. GBP USD and German 30, both of them are trying. Okay, but nothing has closed above our supply zone for German 50, but for GBP USD we're still trying to push up, guys. Who's banking on this? GU still running good on GU. Congratulations, Zero. Gold is not dumping. Gold is not doing anything. There is no volume. Sometimes GBP USD and gold are related, So you will see the kind of movement that's happening on GBP. That's the kind of movement that you'll see on gold as well. But because we had GBP news coming out today, and also because it's London market open, GBP moves better than gold. But gold is like gold has a brain of its own. It's very hard to it's easy to trade gold, but it's very hard to understand what gold is going to do and what kind of movement you're going to get, because when gold bleeds or moves up, there is no limit to it. There is no limit to it, but you should know how to properly tame this creature called gold. I don't like trading gold. I don't. Especially for London, I don't. But there are some people, and sometimes we get good moves on gold for London, so I've just put it there. But if you all want to trade something similar to gold, without losing too much and without losing your mind whilst trading these markets, maybe try GBP USD. And if you think US 30 is very fast paced for you, or maybe Nasdaq also fast paced for you, maybe try SNB. It moves just like it's a lot slower. It's a lot slower. Look at that, guys. This is just we're waiting for the next 15-minute momentum. We're getting sellers from here, so maybe we have strong supply zone over here. Okay. Bye bye. Take care, guys. Who all are leaving? Okay. MSH to everyone. Gotta go. MSH. To see great ho. This person can speak in Punjabi also. Okay. Thank you for that. To see great ho means that I am the greatest. And that's very sweet. Thank you so much, MSH. Look at that, guys. DAX approaching again. This is just an impulse. We're still trying to break our supply zone. It's just telling me that there's so many sellers sitting over here in this area, but I'm sure we can break this. We need just good volume momentum. Maybe we'll get this after half an hour, or maybe when the next 1 hour momentum comes into these markets. But for right now, let's wait for the next 15-minute momentum. We'll watch that, and if we get something, we get something. If not, these levels are going to be with you. I know you all are trading after market open. That's good. With these setups, please, nothing more than that. Don't try to experiment much. Maybe, and these levels are going to go till we do our next top down for New York. So you can use this till then. If you want to trade and you didn't hit your profit target, or if you just want to play around and learn from these markets. Okay, German 30 is trying. Look at that, guys. What did we make over here, guys? German 30 one-on-ones, I'm asking y'all. It's very dirty, but what did we make over here? Very dirty. Nobody knows. You all are sleeping. Okay. Okay, you all both are right. We're making both within, like, these patterns are always interrelated and they're always forming within themselves. And they caught that. Congratulations, guys. This is amazing. This was a very dirty pattern, but you all caught it. One-on-ones, you all are doing really good. Also, guys, if anyone is new over here and you want to learn how we're trading these markets, how we're banking our pips, and how we're making money, and you know nothing about these markets, then you can go ahead and join our one-on-one mentorship program, where Cram is teaching everything about these markets, going completely in depth of these markets, starting from the basics, and basically customizing it for you wherever you are in these markets, be it you're a beginner, intermediate, or an advanced trader. Just go for it, guys. And for that, please DM me Cash FX on Discord, and I will take care of it. Cram has a lot of DMs, so it's very hard for him to reply and keep a track of that, but I will do that for you. I'm currently handling the bookings for him. If you want to join the one-on-ones, please go ahead and message me. Okay, German 30, guys. It will move, I promise you that. German 30 is going to move, but it's just a matter of... Okay, guys, new 15-minute momentum also came out, but nothing happened. Like, nothing happened. What, babe? What?
See, Marina is the Marina, right? Why did last time that? I just got some friend requests. Did any of you guys send it?
I
If
think
it's
so.
me,
Let me see.
if it,
Guys, did anyone send me friend requests? And guys, if you're sending me friend requests, just message me also. Because sometimes I just miss them. DAX starting to push. Yep, we're getting rejected from our supply zone. This is a good rejection. This is a very good rejection, but wait for this candle to close. Guys, also you all need to see the chop on the left. Okay. Guys, if you're sending me a friend request, please make sure that you message me as well, so I can keep a track of who has messaged me and who's interested and who isn't. I'll keep a track of everything. And yes, go ahead, guys. Go ahead, join the one-on-ones. I've been doing these. Just excuse me, guys. Babe, can you please reduce the volume of that, because I can hear myself. I've been taking these one-on-ones for like 6 years now. So they're amazing, amazing guys, and that is the reason why he is my teacher as well. He taught me everything about these markets. Whatever that I know today, whatever that I trade, whatever that I do in these markets, it's his brain and his teachings, and I'm forever grateful for that, because this if you learn this, you have like Ram says, hefty paycheck for the rest of your life, and you don't have to worry about your finances ever. But it's not a get rich overnight kind of a scheme. You need to learn these markets. The earlier you understand, the better it will be for you. But yeah, you need to learn these markets, and for that exact reason we're sitting here, guys. There is no movement much that's happening in these markets, but still we're sitting here, coming every day and teaching you guys how to trade these markets with us, and how to actually understand how they're moving. Okay, guys, another minute, and I'm closing the session, because we got what we had to get, and the moves are almost done. This gold is going to make a move, guys. GBP, maybe we could push up or go down to make a W. Let's see the kind of movement we'll get. German 30, we're getting rejected from here, guys. Maybe we could go and push up and hit our TP, but look at this. If you're ready to trade this on the left, this chop on the left, then absolutely go ahead and do it. But that's it, guys. Whatever profits that you made today, be it $1, $2, or even on a demo or live account, or if you were just learning and you got something out of it, guys, please go ahead and put it on Twitter, tag CramFX, CashFX, and tag 4X Trading Group. Please do that, guys. This is the least that we're asking for, and go ahead and put success stories for London as well. If you're learning something also from these markets, go ahead and do it, guys, because I'm coming here for you guys. Doesn't matter how many people there are and if they're trading or not, how these markets are moving. You all know how choppy this is, but I still want to come and learn with you guys, because I'm also learning, and with that I would need a little from you guys as well. Whatever that you're getting from these sessions, be it pips, be it knowledge, just go and put it out there, guys. It would really mean a lot to both of us. And that's it, guys. I think I'm done with today's session. I made what I had to make. I'm gonna wait for red folders for New York to trade and make further, because I don't want to lose anything. Please go ahead and put your profits or anything that you want to on success stories and on Twitter, guys. Thank you so much. I will see you all for New York, and also one-on-ones. If you want, please message me and send me a friend request. Thank you so much, guys. It was a choppy session, but it was a good one. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you all for New York, and if you're trading, be careful after this. Okay, bye, guys.
Stop the recording. Recording. What?
Low.